Hi, in this video I'll show how to use app for converting Excel tables into PowerShell tables. So you can see I have Excel file. It's Excel mobile, it's not Excel, but it has a table with column name, state code, region, subregion, and there are all states from Alaska to Wyoming. And I want to convert this entire table into PowerShell and use it into PowerShell script. So it's important to close this Excel file before conversion, because Excel is locking all Excel file and not allowing any application to access it. So it's important to close it now. I will go on my website. This is my website. I will leave a link in the description, and to find the app, I'll click on search and type PowerShell and click on PowerShell page, then click on Excel table to PowerShell and click on download to start downloading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded on my local computer. I also will be recording more videos on PowerShell, so if you are interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. You can see archive has been downloaded on my computer. I will click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive to start installation, then click on more info link. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes on the screen and finish on final screen. And you can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. It's called Excel table to PowerShell. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In first step I have to select Excel table. I'll click on select input file button, navigate to my states XLS file, states Excel, click on open. I have file selected, click on next step. Here, if my file first row has a column names, I will leave it checked. Here I can specify which columns I want to convert. I'll select them all, click on next step, and here I can preview PowerShell generated from this Excel table, or I can save result as PowerShell. So it will ask me to name of the file and location. This location is okay. I'll just name it states PS1. Click on save, and you can see file has been saved. Now let's go and see file. So I can right click and click on edit this file to open it into PowerShell editor and show you what we have converted. So basically my spreadsheet data will have all columns that was into PowerShell, and if I want to access data into these columns, I will do like for each, and then I will specify like a row in data, and then because my Excel spreadsheet has a name data, this is why everything is converted into data. If you have your PowerShell script have more tables, it will be more data, more variables. But let me show you how to access this. So for each, and then I will type right host, and then I can type row, and here I can type column I want to. For example, I want to display state name, right? State name, and now I can run this PowerShell. Yes, let's save it, and you can see it's showing all states name. If I want to show another field like state code, state code, and just run to display it. name and code in the second line. So yeah, basically that's it. We converted Excel into PowerShell, and now we can access and process data in the PowerShell script. And basically all data will be embedded into PowerShell script. Yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments.